Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that could seriously change the game for anyone looking to create a passive income stream. If you've ever thought about publishing your own book but felt overwhelmed by the process, writing, designing, marketing, it can all feel like a mountain to climb. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify the entire process and turn your ideas into a professional published book on Amazon, even if you're a complete beginner? That's exactly what Amazon KDP Riches promises, and I'm here to break it all down for you. So, let me start by saying I've always been curious about Amazon KDP. The idea of publishing an ebook and earning up to 70% royalties is super appealing, but like many of you, I felt intimidated by the technical side of things. When I came across Amazon KDP Riches, it immediately caught my attention. This is more than just a course. It's a step-by-step guide that shows you how to create, publish, and market books on Amazon using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. And get this, it even includes full private label rights, meaning you can sell the guide itself as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Let's unpack why that's such a big deal. The first thing I noticed about this guide is how beginner-friendly it is. Even if you have zero experience with writing, design, or marketing, everything is laid out for you in a way that's easy to follow. The guide walks you through every step of the process, from brainstorming your book idea to uploading it on Amazon KDP. Plus, it uses AI to make the entire workflow faster and smoother. Tools like ChatGPT can help you generate book ideas, outline chapters, and even write your content. Canva, on the other hand, makes designing a professional book cover surprisingly simple. For someone like me, who's not exactly a design expert, that's a huge plus. What's really impressive is the flexibility you get with this guide. Not only can you use it to create and publish your own books, but the private label rights allow you to turn it into your own product. You can rebrand it, add your personal touches, and sell it as if you created it from scratch. That opens up so many possibilities for earning, whether you want to focus on publishing books, selling the guide itself, or even combining it with other products to create value-packed bundles. It's like having a business in a box. Another thing that stood out to me is the way the guide is structured. It's broken down into 6 modules that cover everything you need to know. For example, the first module teaches you how to use AI to generate book ideas and craft compelling content. From there, you'll learn how to structure and refine your manuscript, design a book that sells, and publish it on Amazon KDP. There's even a module dedicated to marketing, with proven strategies for generating reviews and driving consistent sales. And if you're looking to expand beyond Amazon, the guide has tips for scaling your business by exploring other platforms and income streams. Let's talk about the value of this guide. Right now, self-publishing is a booming industry. In 2023 alone, the global self-publishing market surpassed $1 billion. Thousands of people are earning life-changing incomes by publishing ebooks on Amazon, and this guide gives you the tools to tap into that potential. It's not just about publishing one book. It's about creating a sustainable income stream. Whether you want to share your expertise, tell your story, or just experiment with profitable niches, Amazon KDP Riches helps you take the leap without all the traditional headaches of writing and publishing. For me, one of the most exciting aspects is how accessible this opportunity is. You don't need to be a professional writer or have a big budget to get started. AI accelerates the process, making it possible to draft, edit, and publish faster than ever before. And with Amazon's global reach, your book will be available to millions of readers worldwide. That kind of exposure is something that would have been nearly impossible to achieve a few years ago. If you're someone who's been sitting on a great idea but didn't know where to start, or if you're looking for a ready-made business opportunity, Amazon KDP Riches could be the answer. The combination of AI-powered tools, comprehensive guidance, and the ability to sell the guide as your own product makes this an incredibly versatile resource. I mean, who wouldn't want to generate passive income while building their brand and expanding their reach? So that's my take on Amazon KDP Riches. It's not just a guide, it's a way to open doors and take control of your creative and financial future. If you've been on the fence about diving into Amazon KDP, this might just be the nudge you need. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have. See you in the next one.